And eto na sila. Super cutie! Hello and welcome! Here's another quick tutorial with the help of Canva, and since pasokan na naman, I will be making name tags and bag tags this time. Let's start! So here's the template, and meron ako nagawang designs for the name tag and bag tags. So I'll just upload it here. So, i-drag lang sa frame, isa-isa, yung pictures or yung designs. And you'll notice, baliktaran siya. Like, magkatapat yung top part niya para pag finold natin is sakto yung front and back. Dapat naka-mirror siya, kaya i-flip natin yung image. Now, with this template for the name tag, yung final outcome niya is magiging 7 cm by 14 cm. So this is approximate sizes. And for the bag tags, it's 6.5 cm by 9.5 cm. Ipiprint ko to sa PVC, so let's talk about that material. So ito yung printable or printing material sa PVC sheet set. And hanapin lang natin yung smoother part, mas makinis. And yung mas magaspang na part, yun yung napipeel off o yun yung natatanggal. So again, dun tayo magpiprint sa mas smooth or madulas na part. Now let's print it out. So for printing, I will be using my Canva mobile app. And then I will download the design, standard PDF. And since I'm using an Epson L5290, which has a wireless printing feature, I will open the file with Epson Smart Panel mobile app. And I'll just check the print settings to make sure it's in high quality. Media type is premium paper matte. And of course, the paper size is A4. Now, since everything looks good, let's go and print.
A few moments later.
Alright, so ito na yung printout. So before anything else, pa-subscribe naman sa channel ko and hit that notification bell to receive updates on my latest videos. Now, ito naman yung PVC card or yung core material, yung ipapalaman natin sa gitna. So, may protective film pa itong mismong PVC card. Kaya, don't forget to remove it first bago ipagitna doon sa printout. Now, let's cut the printed designs and then i-fold natin siya sa gitna. So, this is the reason why we have to flip or mirror the image para kapag print na siya, finold and then nilagyan ng PVC card sa gitna is naka-upright facing na yung design. So ngayon, pwede na natin ilagay yung PVC card sa gitna. And again, don't forget to remove the protective film first. And then pwede natin padaanin sa hot laminating machine. So for the temperature, I only set it to 100 degrees Celsius. And then kapag umilaw na yung ready green button, pwede na tayo mag-laminate. So twice ko siya pinapadaan sa hot laminating machine. Isa sa harap, isa sa likod. And na-try ko yung mas mataas sa temperature pero nagbabubbles siya. So mukhang okay naman siya sa 100 degrees. Okay, so now we'll just have to trim out the excess edges. And I will also use this corner rounder. And And may iba-iba siyang radius, R10, R4, R7. I will use the 4mm. Now for punching the holes, pwede tayong gumamit either ng usual puncher para sa bilog na butas or ng oblong puncher na typical for IDs. So for this sample, I will use both, one for each bag tag para lang may comparison tayo. Now since dun tayo sa smooth part ng PVC sheet nag-print, ito yung part na napipeel off. Kaya tanggalin na natin. Okay, now lalagyan ko na ng ID lace, yung name tag. And then for the bag tags, you may use either a rubber loop para dun sa oblong na butas. Or a ball chain para dun sa round hole. And eto na sila. Super cutie!